Yeah, so we are a very early stage venture fund called Seed Fund. This is we manage two funds. The first fund was $15 million fund, and second fund is close to $55 million fund. We have invested in close to 35 companies in India. Some of the prominent name which you might have heard was Redbus. We were one of the largest shareholder of Redbus. Then Carvale, My Dentist, Chumbak, Bonek, Daily Objects, V Resorts. So these are a few of the companies which are very prominent companies. Let's say I was an entrepreneur in my previous past life, so I have done set up two companies, and I was involved with the early stage for a long time, right? So I started my career as investments with Unity Trust of India. That way, I was kind of you can say involved with the venture fund industry from a very early age and early time, yeah. So we basically invest in any of the sector which are very capital efficient. We do not do real estate, biotech, pharma, those kind of things we do not do. But other than that, anything which is very consumer centric, which is basically dependent on the consumption, Indian consumption, we are very excited about it. So we have invested. It doesn't matter whether it's offline or online. We just invest when if there is a very huge consumer demand for that and traction is there. Yeah. So we understand that part very well. The retail market is a very interesting what you call influx point. We are seeing a lot of challenges coming from the online retail, which is kind of disrupting in a way. But I see overall it is more of a positive because it is creating a lot of opportunities which were not there earlier. The Indian supply chain was very broken. So if you are in a very say small town like say Amethi or Sultanpur, right, you are not getting the product which you wanted there. So online is bridging that gap. So that is also kind of helping the retailers to buy those goods and sell those areas. Second thing is helping retailers to grow to other areas where they were not able to reach. So I think that's a very interesting point, and it is going to just become bigger and bigger. I think franchising model is also very important because it is basically using other capital to grow, and a lot of brands want to do that. I have seen a lot of our portfolio company which are the brands, they are using franchising opportunity to expand to many markets. So I think that's a very interesting area, and it will help a lot of other people who have capital to become entrepreneurs to have used the main brand to ride the wave of the brand rather than creating own brand. So I think for a lot of people who just want to create their own brand, it's much better to become a franchisee and build that brand rather than creating their own brand, right? Because creating a brand is not easy game. So rather than just be another just another player who just also ran, you can become a part of one large thing and can grow much faster. So this option can work out very well. So it's pretty fabulous, good interaction, good crowd, I think, and a very good panel session we had. So I think it's overall very well.